In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable directory listing using Hostinger hPanel. Ensuring your website's security is paramount and managing your server settings effectively is a vital step in this process. One common task is disabling directory listing, which prevents users from seeing a list of files in a directory if no index file is present. This can safeguard sensitive information and is a rather straightforward process. Let's walk through these steps together. First, you need to log into your Hostinger hPanel account. This is your website's control panel, and accessing it is the gateway to managing your website's settings. Simply head over to the Hostinger website and use your credentials to sign in. If you've forgotten your login details, there's usually a hassle-free way to reset your password directly on the login page. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the dashboard, which houses a plethora of options. Look for the section labeled File Manager. It's like the file explorer that you would use on your computer to view and manage your files. Click on it to open the File Manager. Inside the File Manager, you'll need to locate your website's root directory. The root directory is essentially the main folder where your website's core files are stored. For most setups, this will be inside a folder named Public, especially if you're running a primary domain. Navigate carefully through the directory structure until you find the correct folder. Accessing this folder is crucial because this is where we're going to edit or create the .htaccess file. Now check if there's already an .htaccess file present in the root directory. This file is pivotal because it controls various server settings. If you see it, great. If not, no worries. You'll just need to create a new one. In the file manager, there's usually an option to create a new file. Use this to create a file named .htaccess. Remember, the dot at the beginning of the file name is important. It's not a typo, but part of the file name itself. With the htaccess file open for editing, you will want to add a specific line of code. This line is options indexes. By adding this, you're instructing the server to disable directory listing. This simple line solidifies your server's security by ensuring that users who stumble upon an empty directory won't see the files listed. After adding the line, make sure to save the file. Save changes to ensure that the new setting takes effect. Once this is done, your directory listing feature should be disabled, enhancing your website's security. And there you have it. By the end of these steps, you have successfully disabled directory listing on your Hostinger hPanel setup. Remember to revisit these settings periodically to ensure everything remains secure and aligned with your hosting needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.